Hello, friends. So I've always had this battery, and um, I actually thought about it to look through and see what's really inside. And one thing I noticed is all the protection. And so I'll just give a full review of what I think about this and um, let you know what I find. You're basically gonna see everything. So I have this right here. It's a small scissors, so I'll just cut through the protection. So this is a lithium battery sleeve, the blue one. It's the first protection I'm actually seeing on this.
2,000 years later.
Want to be as careful as possible. You can see I already cut through, even with my scissors, I already cut through the insulation paper. So I was able to open the lithium sleeves, and that's the battery. So this right here connects directly to the BMS. Um, let's see. This is it's a 3S actually. This is for the total negative. We have two black cables. This is for the next battery. That's the positive. What's inside? So there's really a lot of protection in this, which is right for lithium batteries, because any little thing can actually damage something or cause it to catch on fire. So I think I'll just cut through this, yeah, right there. And, so as you can see already on the battery, it says right there 3.6 volts in 2600 milliamp hour. This on the side. Yeah, so you can see the top of the battery already. At this point, I don't think I want to use the scissors because I might be completing a circuit, and that can be very dangerous. And I'm also careful with how I use my hand, because I can see already the nickel strips. And when you're using your hand, you want to be very careful around those areas so you don't get a cut or something. It can be very sharp. All right. So is the negative. So you see where they connect. Okay, not here. You see where they connect right here from one battery to the next. Let me open that up. Yeah. Okay, I think that should be on the other side of the battery. So this is just more installation. So you see the way they are connected. This is connected like that, and the other battery also. This is also connected. So that's it for this one. I was able to open through. I won't be cutting any part of the battery. Maybe I'll just do that in the next video and show you what it's like really inside when you're inside the battery. I think my torch just went off, so I'm just going to stop right here. But what I love the most is, even with the Chinese battery, what I love is the way they've really stepped up and they're making batteries with so much insulation and protection. So this can actually go through basically anywhere. Um, the insulation in between the batteries, the insulation on top of the battery terminals and stuff like that, which is really nice. And you can see the spot welding job was actually done properly also. This does not look like something that can come off easily. So it's really well protected and well done. Yeah. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.